So it's going to be good this, because I've got a helper, and Skylar's favourite food is mac and cheese. So we're going to do a mac and cheese and some sausage rolls for the rest of the gang, which are hiding around the corner looking after my dogs. So I think that's going to be great. So pork, which we're going to use for the sausage rolls, but first we've got to get some cheese grated. So I need 3 cheeses, Lancashire, Cheshire and Cheddar, and then we'll mix them all together, and then we'll make a bletch, we'll put it all in, and then there's our sauce ready for the spaghetti. And what we'll do, we'll start with that cheese like that. Okay. Mash in that. Right, so I need some pieces of that put into there. So if I do the first one, okay, like that, take it off and put this in there. So I need another 4. That's it, mind your fingers are very sharp. That's it. That's good, that's it. All the way down. Yep, and then flick it. Quite big. How's it going? That's it. Right, so what we need to do now, we need to put some flour in. Okay. Yeah. Ready? Coming through. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Stir it in. A little bit more. Keep stirring. Okay, so milk time. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Keep stirring, gently, gently, gently. You don't want to spill it. I'll swap over to the whisk. Oh. Right, what I want you to do, with your other hand, I want you to hold the pan. Okay, and with this hand, like that. Okay, that's it. Keep going around the edges so it doesn't catch on anything. Okay, so there's the cheese that we did. I'm going to add the cheese to it and keep stirring. Right. Ready? All the cheese has to melt. Gently, because we don't want it to spill. More cheese. Right. That's the cheese in. Keep stirring. Ooh, see how it's coming thick? So that's the butter and the flour that's made it thick now, and then the cheese has thickened up itself as well. Which is great. That's not stuck at the bottom. Okay. Right. Happy with that? We'll turn it off. So what I'll do now is just lift that off, put it there out of the way. Okay, so water in, boiling water. For our spaghetti. Can you get a spoon out of that drawer for me? Will do. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so water in, boiling water. Alright. So add me half of that to about there. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And what we do now is we'll just give that a little stir with that. so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Yeah? Okay, so we've got to make some sausage rolls now. So this is what you have to do. We've got to put a pair of gloves on. You got them on? Good. So there's our meat. In here, I've got to get some spices out. If you can take all of that, I'll take it all of that. There you are. Pop it in there, get the bottom off. And if you start scrunching it up with your hands, I'll open this. That's it, keep scrunching. Okay, keep going. So these bags of season you can buy anywhere, you absolutely can. I mean, this is Cumberland sausage. So instead of buying the sausage, get the sausage meat, add as much as this as you want. I get there for a sec, I'll put some herbs in. Oh, too much. There you go, some herbage in. Mix all that in. And I need some salt and pepper in there as well. Excuse me a sec. Bit of salt. And some black pepper. There's our black pepper. There's our black pepper. Ready-made pastry, which you can get from anywhere. And I cut the end off and we take it off like that. And what we do is we just unroll it. So if I do the first one, you can do the second one. So take the guard off that, very sharp that, so be careful. And then with our big spoon, take a bit of that, like that, and your fingers, make a sausage out of it, and put it there like that. So I've cut that there like that, and I cut that there like that, yeah, and then I transfer them and I put them onto the tray, which is here. Okay, you do the next one. Get a big spoon, that's it. You're going to make it into a sausage. Wow, you're better than me. Now, put it off the end. Try and make it all the same shape. So that's a bit like that one, so squeeze it further down. Hey, that's it. Dead in. Perfect. Right, we've got to whisk it up and make it all scrambled. Got it? Good. Alright, and we need that spoon there. Swing this out of the way for the momento. I know, proper one, isn't it? There's our macaroni. So So I want you to do this is just loosen it. Nice and loose like that. Yep. And all we've got to do now is to add some of that into there. So as close as we can, like that. In fact, I use a ladle. Use that instead. There. Pop it in. Oh, look. Put that in there. Right. So mac and cheese. Let's give it a turn over and see how much more cheese we need. Is that your favourite?
Yeah.
I'll make the first one and you make the second one. Deal? Right. In the bottom. Oh. Alright. A little bit in the bottom like that. That's all we need. Yeah? That's unctuous when you get to the bottom. And we use our spoon and we'll get the macaroni.
No matter where we are, I know this love is here.
Okay. And the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan that we just made. Just sprinkle that over the top. So we just want a little bit just to cover the bottom. You like lasagna as well? I gave your mum some lasagna. Right, so shake it. It all covers it. Yeah? Happy with that? Pull this towards you. And get your macaroni out and put it on without spilling it.
Just like the blackbird needs to fly, I gotta have you by my side, 'cause you make me feel alright. I know some people play it cool, but baby I ain't that kind of fool. When I'm with you, girl, there ain't no rules, 'cause you make me feel alright.
This is your crispy topping that we're going to have.